supposed to actually mix it 1:1 ratio of milk and water. And I have to say that initially I did do all that soy milk and it was like, it was okay, but once I added that water, it truly tasted like boba. And so the really cool thing about this brand is that although it is made from whey, it is lactose free. It definitely is pretty pricey though. For I think like 30 servings, it's about $50. That's pretty much every like high-end protein brand that I've seen, so it's not like super surprising. It's just a really cool concept. Most of the time for work days, I actually don't get ready simply because I don't really need to see anybody and I don't go out most of the time. Today, I'm actually going to be wearing makeup because I have to do some pre-records for a few of my clients for work. I'm just going to do a little bit of like easy makeup. Yesterday, I actually ended up doing my hair last night with the shark hairstyle. I'm going to go ahead and revitalize it with some hair oil. So with that, this is me for the day. I got an Amazon package about a week ago. I'm super excited for it. I bought quite a bit of stuff. We're gonna be trying the Dior Lip Addict in beige just to see the color payoff. It's not as pigmented, but that's what these are. They're not gonna give you a ton of lip color, but it did still give me just a tiny bit. And the formula itself is actually very, very smooth. It's very hydrating. That's honestly surprising. They did give me the sunscreen, but I've been eyeing this Innisfree sunscreen for such a long time. I've heard really good things about this brand as well. I would really recommend applying one finger worth of sunscreen at a time, building up to 2 or 3 layers, simply because it's so emollient. It takes a while for it to blend, up to like 3 minutes honestly, but it is cosmetically beautiful. It lays really well under makeup and is very hydrating. I love the way that this overnight curl lasts on my hair, and it just makes so much volume. I feel like my bangs always turn out a little bit strange. If you guys haven't tried the viral TikTok of overnight curls, you guys have to do it. It just gives me such beautiful curls. It's heatless and it's so easy to do. I did get this Skylargiftedme Beauty sampler, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. Extreme and Clean. This is so cute. This is the Discovery scent. In here there is Peach Fields, Vanilla Sky, Lime Sands, Salt Air, and Coconut Cove. I already own 2 out of the 5, but I'm gonna go ahead and maybe try the Lime Sand. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's so cute. I'm not really sure if I even like citrus scents, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. The notes of this is lime, sea salt, and coconut water. You can definitely smell that lime right off the bat for that top note. I think whenever I try smelling lemon scents, I'm not like a fan of it, but this lime, I think I might like this. I cannot wait to try the rest of these. I'm so excited, especially for Coconut Cove, because I'm not a fan of like coconuts by any means, but Skylar always does amazing scents, so I can't wait to try that out. I think I looked it up one time of how much like sample perfume sprays you get, and I think it's about like 15 sprays, so enough time to kind of like get a scent. Activates where you touch. If they had the lemongrass smoothie. Finally, I got it. So I did pick up a few items from the mall. So I got soooo peach drink right here. Super cute. It's not cold. That's good. There's actually little peach fruits in here. I also got chia seed jelly right here. I have a really bad sweet tooth. Every day I always feel like I need dessert, so hopefully this will just help curb my sweet tooth. I say that, but then I got matcha chocolate. So I actually went to a drugstore called Tomodachi, and so they just have like a few Japanese items. I actually did get this little Sanrio character. It's Melody. I don't know where I'm gonna put her, but in the meantime, she's adorable. When I was actually purchasing, I was only going to buy this one, but the owner actually gave me with these matcha chocolate. It's $12. It is pretty pricey, but the matcha of it was actually very prominent, and that's something that I feel like a lot of matcha flavored chocolate just don't really do well, is that it's always just a little bit of matcha and not enough. And then the last item I got is this Ichigo Choco. These are matcha flavored chocolate covered strawberries. They're just like the true fruit. A lot of chocolate and a little bit of the strawberry. I've only done heatless curls like this 2 other times. Hopefully this actually turns out well. This curl actually looks really good. This is how it's looking. Also, these are how my nails turned out. I never do black, but this is just different for me. This is my current fragrance collection. This is not the way that I want to present it. I think I'm gonna use Coco and Mademoiselle. It's a more like a mature scent, and I think this will be really fun to wear. This is how it looks. Super pretty. Oh my gosh, absolutely love this one so much. I think I only needed those 2 spritz on the back of my neck because that was very strong. I have a very small collection, but I definitely have started gaining a little bit more. These are samples too. I just don't really know where to put them, to be honest. Also, I got this really cute flower bomb. So tiny.
But then when I actually started working, it was just a bunch of fun.
They're 3D printed. They have the rough draft and then the final version. It's pretty cool. Wow. Dang, this is pretty.
It's a talent